Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manually control caching for a page in Wix. This feature gives you precise control over how your page content is stored and delivered, which can be especially useful when you're making frequent updates or need to ensure visitors always see the most current version of your content. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account using your credentials. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear, presenting you with various options related to your site management. From this drop-down menu, you can preview the website settings you currently have configured. This is an important checkpoint to ensure that you're working with the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites. Take a moment to verify that this is indeed the website where you wish to manually control caching on a specific page. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button at the top part of your screen, usually positioned beside a pen icon. This button serves as your gateway to the full website editor, where you can make detailed adjustments to your site's pages and settings. After clicking Design Site, you'll be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the real customization happens. From here, look to the left navigation menu and locate the Pages and Menu button. Click on it to access your site's page structure and navigation settings. The Pages and Menu window will expand, displaying all the pages that make up your website. From this list, select the specific page where you wish to manually control caching. To access the page settings, hover your cursor over the page name. You'll notice a three-dot icon, also known as the More Actions menu, appears. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. A small settings window will pop up with several choices. From these options, select Settings. This will open a more detailed configuration panel for your chosen page. Under the Page Info tab, look for a section labeled Advanced Settings. Click on the Advanced Settings drop-down to reveal additional technical options for your page. Within the Advanced Settings section, you'll find the toggle button for manually control caching for this page. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on. This activation gives you direct control over how the page's content is cached, allowing you to manage when updates appear to your visitors. If you have multiple pages where you'd like to implement this feature, you can optionally repeat this entire process for each of those pages, ensuring consistent caching control across your site. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled manual caching control for your Wix page, giving you greater flexibility in managing your content delivery. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.